What's up guys, welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This fighter jet landed too hard, causing the nose to collapse and the plane to catch fire. The pilot quickly turned the burning fighter jet away from other aircraft and then ejected himself, and luckily no one was injured. These guys flying their parachute really close to a crane.
Wow. Yo. Okay.
This plane flew in such a way that gravity ceased to exist for a few seconds. This plane kept its nose up for a bit too long before landing, causing it to touch down pretty hard.
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this for landing? Is it built? Yeah. What the fuck, man?
This plane landing without one of its wheels.
Yeah. Ja.
This plane flying with a banner lost power just off the coast of Florida and ended up having to land in the water. Luckily, no one was injured.
He's off his flag. He's fixing to happen.
This bird got a free ride while sitting on a plane. This plane's tire blew out while slowing down after landing, but luckily no one was injured. This plane taxiing through a flooded airport in Pakistan. This helicopter filming a huge flock of birds. That's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Other sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, links down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.